Everyone, I hope you all are happy and safe. My name is Kanupriya and I'm currently working as legal intern with LEXIS and Company for the month of July. I hope you all have watched my previous videos, and if you haven't, then do please watch them. And today our topic of discussion will be what is maintenance, do husbands have the right to claim maintenance, and what all are the personal laws that are provided to women for maintenance. Here our first question arises. What is maintenance? The term maintenance refers to providing basic amenities such as food, clothing, shelter, and other necessities to a person to live a dignified life. Maintenance is a type of financial assistance given to any individual. Section 3 of Hindu Adoption and Marriage Act 1956 provide the most precise definition of maintenance. Let's see what is that definition. In all cases, provision for food, clothing, residence, education and medical attendance and treatment. In the case of an unmarried daughter, also the reasonable expenses of an incident to her marriage. Maintenance in laws is described as the amount paid to a dependent wife, parents, or child in order for themselves to live a dignified life. This maintenance can be paid in lump sum or an installment paid monthly. There is no set of amount fixed for this maintenance. Maintenance is a set of sum that a husband must pay his wife to in a certain circumstances such as divorce, separation during their marriage. Moving forward to our next question, which is, do husband have the right to claim maintenance from his wife? Yes, husband do have the right to claim maintenance from their wives. But this is only applicable to Hindu's husband, and it is provided under section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. There are certain conditions under which husband can claim maintenance from their wives. First is the provision is given under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. To be eligible for this maintenance from the wife, she must be employed into the private sector or in a government job. However, claiming maintenance from a non-working woman or a housewife is prohibited. Second condition is husband is only entitled to maintenance from his wife if he is financially reliant on her. When a husband is unable to work due to a disability or any other cause, he can seek maintenance from the wife. Third, if woman is working, she is living apart from his husband. She is not divorcing her husband and her husband is financially dependent on her. In this such situation, husband may submit a complaint under section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Section 24 and Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provide for the maintenance and essential cost for a party who does not have adequate independent income to sustain himself or herself. This is a gender neutral law. That clause says that either wife or husband to seek support. The applicant must not have an independent source of income adequate to sustain himself or herself. Moving forward to our third question, that is maintenance rights of women under the various personal laws. See now. Section 125 of CRPC. Under the Section 125 of Code of Criminal Procedure, maintenance can be claimed by anyone under this legislation. See now what Hindu legislation says about it. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 is given to Hindu women who want to claim compensation following a divorce. Muslim. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Divorce Act 1986 give Muslim women right to seek support and the wife must be paid maintenance throughout the iddat term and the meher must be returned. Christians. Section 37 of Indian Divorce Act 1869, divorced wife can get maintenance from his husband for life by applying a civil or a high court case. Parsis. Under Parsi's Marriage and Divorce Act 1936, if the woman stays unmarried after the divorce, the husband is obliged to pay maintenance for the rest of his life upon up to 1/5 of his net income. Let's now concluding with my topic. Maintenance is a sum of money given to a person in order for them to live a dignified life and have access to all life's necessity. Individual can claim maintenance in a lump sum or in installments, and there is no set of sum of money for maintenance. The Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 also has a provisions that allows a husband to seek maintenance from his wife. There are some conditions in which a husband can seek compensation from his wife. Only Hindu husbands benefit from this regulation. There are several laws which allows wife to seek maintenance from her husband. Section 125 of Criminal Procedure Code provides power to anyone under this legislation. Various other acts also provide power to women to claim maintenance from their spouse. Thank you everyone, and if you think my videos are useful to you in any way, then do please like, share and subscribe the channel and comment down your queries below. Thank you.